guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do the loop ribbon on your Pointe shoes. And as you can see, it's only one ribbon, and they're very easy to take off and very easy to put on, and it'll save you a lot of time while taking them off and putting them on. So when you take them off, you slide your thumb here, take it off like that, easy. And it's very small, just one little ribbon, stretchy ribbon. And I'll show you how to put them on. So I just like to put it under so I don't get it caught. Just like this. Put it back over, and I'll show you this side. And then you make a loop over your foot. Make sure it's nice and pretty in the front, nice and flat, just like this. And then you want to cross the backs here over like that. Might be a little hard to know. Just make them pretty, and you don't have to worry about the knots coming undone because there is no knot. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this loop ribbon on my new Pointe shoes. Yeah, these are the Suffolks, but it'll just be the same because it's a good loop ribbon. And yeah, the things you're gonna need are measured elastic. We're going to measure the stretchy ribbon, scissors, a sewing needle, sewing thread, a seam cutter just in case, a lighter, and pliers for extra help, and your Pointe shoes. The first step is to measure your stretchy ribbon to your shoe, which I've already done, but I will show you guys how to. So I like to start with the ribbon in the inside of my shoe. This is my right foot. So you have your ribbon, however long it is, but it has to be stretchy, and you want it wherever you want it, but I usually go for like about right there. Then I hold it until it's on the inside. Then I have 1 and 2, then grab it all the way to this side, and that's how you know however tight you want it. You can pull even more, just like that. If you want a bit loose, go for a bit looser, but I like it just in the middle, a little bit tight. Yeah, so then you cut it right there, and it's time to sew. So now you're going to burn the tips of the elastic and the stretchy ribbon. I highly recommend this so that your elastic and ribbon doesn't fray right here. When you use it a lot, it might just wear down. So you might have an adult do this for you. If you're brave enough to do it yourself, that's good, but I like my mom to do it. So you're just gonna light it and lightly just here until it gets harder. The same with the ribbon. So this is what the final product looks like. Looks like a loop. And so, as you can see in here, we sewed it 4 times back and forth and burned the edges of the ribbon so that it doesn't fray when you're dancing. And yeah, it will look like this when you're all done. All little loops, just like this. And you'll be super duper fast because the loop is the best. Thanks for watching!